eating plenty of fruits and vegetables is still crucial. Let's find ways to make it safer. We all wash our fruits and vegetables, right? But is it enough to remove pesticides? Simply rinsing under water might not do the trick. Some pesticides are designed to stick to produce. Water alone won't remove them. Soaking produce in water is another common method, but this also has limitations. Some pesticides can penetrate the skin of the produce. Soaking won't remove these deeper residues. We need a method that can reach and remove these hidden dangers. Commercial vegetable washes are available, but their effectiveness varies. Some washes might remove more pesticides than water alone. However, they can be expensive. They may also leave unwanted residues on food. It's clear that we need a better solution. We need a method that is effective, affordable, and safe. A method that can give us confidence that our food is truly clean. Scientists have found a surprisingly effective solution: baking soda. Yes, the same baking soda we use in baking. It turns out to be a powerful tool for removing pesticides from produce. Studies have shown its effectiveness. One study looked at apples contaminated with pesticides. They soaked the apples in a baking soda solution. The results were impressive. The baking soda removed a significant amount of the pesticides. How does baking soda work? It has unique properties. Baking soda can penetrate the surface of fruits and vegetables. This allows it to reach pesticides that water alone cannot reach. It also helps to break down pesticide molecules. This makes them easier to wash away. Baking soda is also alkaline. This helps to neutralize the acidity of some pesticides. This further enhances its cleaning power. Section 4. Using baking soda safely. Using baking soda to clean produce is easy. Fill a basin with water. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Soak your produce for 15 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly under running water. That's it. This simple method can significantly reduce pesticide residues. It's a safe and effective way to protect yourself and your family. You can use this method for a wide variety of produce. Baking soda is a natural product. It does not leave behind any harmful residues. It's also very affordable. You probably already have it in your kitchen. Start incorporating this simple step into your routine. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your health. Section 5. Food safety beyond pesticides. Pesticides are a concern, but they're not the only risk. Other contaminants can be present on produce. Bacteria and dirt can also make us sick. Always wash your hands before handling food. Use separate cutting boards for meat and produce. This prevents cross-contamination. Store perishable produce in the refrigerator. Keep it at the correct temperature. This slows down spoilage and prevents bacterial growth. By following these food safety practices, you can minimize your risk of getting sick. Food safety is an ongoing process. Be mindful of your actions in the kitchen. Welcome to Caribbean Glow. Section 6. Small steps, big impact. Eating fresh produce is essential for good health, but we need to be mindful of potential contaminants. Pesticides are a real concern. They can have a negative impact on our health. The good news is that we can take action. Simple steps can significantly reduce our exposure to pesticides. Washing produce with baking soda is a great example. It's easy, effective, and affordable. Don't be afraid to enjoy fruits and vegetables. Embrace these simple steps. Make them part of your daily routine. Small changes can have a big impact on our health. By taking these precautions, we can enjoy the benefits of fresh produce without worry. We can create a safer and healthier food environment for ourselves and our families.